Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a password from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. So open the document, type its current password now, and then we will navigate to the settings. So let's type here, as you can see, an password to access to our PDF file. Okay, like that. Now let's go to the files. Alright, so you can also find these files and properties with the shortcut. If you use Ctrl D on Windows or CMDD on Mac computers, it will open up document properties. Alright, now click on the security in these properties and locate the security method. Okay, drop down menu like here, right here, it will currently show password security, and enter the permission password. So click the drop down here and select no security. Are you sure you want to remove security from this document? Okay, like that. And yeah, pretty much it. Click OK to the confirmation prompt, like that. And yeah, save, Control S, CMDS, and document to finalize the changes. So now we are without a password on this document. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next